my name is Samriddhi Sarkar and today we'll be unboxing this Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is brand new also. It has a 6.8-inch large screen display. Its color is a beautiful moonstone and it's beautiful and ambiency. It seems like the best color to me. Its internal storage is 256 GB and its price is $1,200. Okay, so now let's get this unboxing started. First, you have to peel this. And after that, you need to peel the other one. And after that, you need to put some pressure. And after that, you get this. Take the lid off, and then you see a tab. Then you take the tab. So beneath the phone is a USB-C type cable for charging and data transfer. And this is some stuff, but it doesn't include a SIM card ejector because this phone doesn't allow any SIM cards. The phone only allows eSIM cards. It has a newly developed Tensor G5 chipset. Elements of the phone and camera quality I will cover in the next video, and stay tuned. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.